everyone. I'm here for another Nature Minute, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about habitat. Habitat has to do with what an animal, a bird, or a human being needs to live. And we all need food, we all need water to drink, we all need shelter, and we need space. So I want to ask you, who do you think lives here? There's open water. You can see lots of tracks around the water. And then if you look down here, we even have some sliding or some dragging marks on that. That's a real mystery. What kind of animal do you think needs to be in the water? They can swim, but they can walk. They can slide. They're outside in the snow and cold. It is a river otter, and river otters are a wonderful, fantastic creature. If you want to see more about them, you can go out onto our YouTube channel and look at our river otter videos. But right now, I want to challenge you, start looking at those weird tracks that you find in the snow or in the dirt or in the sand or wherever you live. Show us those weird tracks. Send them in to us. If you can figure it out, what it is, great. If you don't, let's try to figure it out together. And I want you to remember to get out. Get outside and have some fun enjoying the wonderful world we live in.